Let's get to the Trader Rundown now with Keith Harwood of Trade Academy, somebody new to our show, so thanks for coming on today.
Thanks for having me. I'm happy to be here.
It's a big day. The Fed will make a decision later today, so what's your anticipation?
Yeah, so just like we saw with the Bank of Japan yesterday, it's pretty much expected to be the status quo. I don't think they're going to look to rock the boat here. We're just going to let it go as it is. There's no major press conference or anything, and we're going to look forward to the next December meeting.
What's your take on the stock market right now?
Just continuing new highs, particularly out of the FANG names. So a lot of the other names have just been consolidating in a tight range, and after last week's earnings out of Amazon and Google, they just spiked higher, dragged along Facebook and Apple. Of course, Facebook has earnings this afternoon, Apple tomorrow afternoon, so those are going to be in focus.
Any trading ideas ahead of the earnings coming from either Facebook or Apple?
So I think that both of them are going to be a little bit interesting. Facebook's already priced in a pretty bullish scenario, as has Apple. They've both run about $10 after Amazon and Google earnings. That said, I think Apple will probably be given a little bit of forgiveness if things don't come out right. iPhone 8 sales may not be great, but everybody's excited about iPhone 10. So in that case, you can maybe look at a bullish trade like a call spread there.
You know, it's interesting though, Apple traditionally runs up into earnings or a big event and then sells off. Do you anticipate we could see something like that happen?
You know, we could, but given the way that they've basically forgiven the iPhone 8, I do think that the more likely scenario is a little bit higher. And that's why I kind of like a call spread where you can take advantage of the increased volatility coming down as we rally towards that higher strike.
So what would be your target price on Apple?
So maybe up towards about 175. We're currently trading around 170. So if we look at something like a 170, 175 call spread, that gets you right up to that upper end. Probably not going to explode higher the way we did in Amazon and Google, but if we just grind higher, that looks really good for a risk-return profile.
Well, thanks for coming on the show.
Thank you very much.